this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the GOG store page on your Steam Deck so you can start playing those games that you have. And this is actually really easy to do. So I'm just in the game mode right now. I want to switch over to the desktop mode, so I'm going to press Steam, going down to Power, go to Switch to Desktop. And then we need to download something under the desktop mode to open up the games. So let's go to Discover down here on the bottom. Then we want to get an application called Heroic Game Launcher. So if we scroll down, I should be able to find it. Heroic Game Launcher right here. So this is already installed for me, but this is exactly what you want to type in. So go to the top, type in Heroic Game Launcher. Press X to open up the keyboard, Heroic. And it should enter up. Okay. Should open up here. Install it. So it says launch for me now. So let's press B now. Launch this baby. And when this opens up, you can sign into your Epic Games, GOG, and Prime. So we can go to stores down here. It says Epic Store is the default one. Then we have GOG Store and Prime Gaming. So I don't know if anyone uses Prime Gaming. But you have the option to log in. So I'm not logged in right now, but I'll have to do that. Sometimes there might be free games or some really good deals on here. And then you can just find the game that you want to go ahead and get. See if there's any free games down here. So it says claim Tropica 4, don't miss. Oh, okay, so here's a free game. So between the Epic Store and GOG Store, you can find a couple free games, a week. And you can just add them to your Steam library. So go back to library. So I got Rocket League on here. Once you download it, you can go to it, go to the three little dots and go to add to Steam right here. And you can find it under the game mode. So just make sure you do that. Otherwise, you'll have to switch back to this each time. And I can go ahead and download a game. This game is not installed. This game includes anti-cheat. So a lot of times with anti-cheat, it doesn't work on the Steam Deck. For some reason, need to go ahead and fix that. But very easy to access the store right there. Just sign in with your account. And then you can switch back to game mode. And once you have a game downloaded, you literally just have to press install on it, go to the game store, and you can install it. And on the launcher, you should be able to see it downloading or installing in the bottom left. But under game mode now, we want to switch, go all the way to the right. And then go to the view, the game library, and then you can go to the non-Steam games and you can start launching it from there. So this is booting up, takes about like 20-30 seconds. Boom, a few more in your library. Go to here, go to non-Steam games. Here's Rocket League and Fall Guys. Then Google Chrome is on here for some reason. I don't know how that got in there. But we should be able to just delete this, manage, remove from Steam library right here if you really want. It won't show up in there, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. More tech videos coming next on Your 6 Gaming.